When I said I would go after this man and his children, so many persons thought I was being extra. You see, this man never answer him because we get national issues to address. I'm only talking about him because we are in the topic of trolls. You see, this man, I'll celebrate the children burial for a front. I'll be doing what we do for Instagram. I'll buy casket, I'll put their picture, you go watch me. I will go to the extreme to prove to him that his wickedness can also be served to him on a platter. He's a popular wicked troll. For people that don't know him, I've been one of his victims. During the last Edo governorship election, if you followed me closely, all I did was focus on Obazee. I hardly mentioned the candidates. I say my aim now, Obazee. You cannot rule uselessly for 4 years and try to come and want to deceive those in diaspora with media that you work. Where you for work? Everywhere they posted, oh, road established, we have commissioned this. I will go there and video and show the people the real picture, the flood we are suffering, and tell them that these people are lying. That's how I became his enemy. As a matter of fact, we worked together when Obazee was coming back as governor for the second time. He contacted me and he knows. Enough is swear juju. Say no, say I do everything when we dey work together for free. 1 naira. This bastard here knows. Say Mama P not dey collect money. Be sure for him. May I say if he be say Mama P they lie or this one make my pikin die. You know fits. Or watching him on the internet troll me every day. Just because not for I didn't cause him. I just said the governor did not do anything. Just because of a governor that you know in your heart is incompetent and wicked. Watching him troll me, falsely accusing me, even went as far as saying I work with the governor and so they gave me 10 million. Watching him draw me down for no reason. See, you need to be there to understand. I need to do you, may you know as he actually they feel. At first I was defending. I was doing that, but you know he's lying. Bring receipts. No, you bring receipts. You know you are lying. You know, I was trying to do the normal steez. When I see Senna pig, I pulled my white and I dived in the mud. That's only when he stopped. In fact, people started calling me to beg. It's okay, I beg. It's now shameful. Why did he not call me? He said that because Obazee don't mind me. Now why because of Obazee? He said they found Obazee face. He come like say I be a shower. Oh, he said I be Shuaibu. Now because of Shuaibu, I be Shuaibu get. Now why because of Obazee? What did they not say? Now so they give me money. That's why I be work with the government. But this man knows that he brought SSA to me from Obazee and I told him I don't want to work with the government. I declined. He knows me and him, man. See. You know, you are watching it, you are like, and it's followers on your page causing you, oh, snitch, this. Before you know, the last thing I'm APC. The APC has paid me to cause Obazee. This man, if not be say, I developed thick skin and I decided to respond in his own energy for destroying me. Some days ago, we did protest, stop courtesan, stop drug abuse. I saw that protest a day to the protest there. I just decided to join. So I'm saying, PDP people, now for the protest, I say, no concern me. It's the message I'm passing that matters to me. After the protest, he posted my picture and said APC arranged us to come and support the governor, arrange protests. In his mind now, he can throw me like before. How about I will grind you? You know I'm doing this prep so that when it starts, people will not understand, go understand. I trust my trenches. If I start with you again, you're the run or they pursue you. You slimy snake. You wicked. If you know, this man, he throw Captain Osa, one of the richest men in Benin. Captain Osa die. This man, you see all of now will be trolls. You know feel better for now. Especially political trolls. You are trolling because of government. As in, you are causing someone who is fighting for us all. I can never understand. But just cross, I see they come up. Try me. Have ignored him over time. That is why his stupidity has increased this much. Assuming when he newly starts, people they give him the energy where he deserve. If we're not rich like this, I don't believe in that. He's a child or how they talk somebody help me in the comment section. They will say don't play in the mud with them. Don't do this, don't do that. No, I don't believe in it. When people decide to be stupid with you, my dear, if you need to be stupid to prove your points, exercise that stupidity. You don't say so much about people without evidence. That's why when you see me, I take my time to do my video. If I do video, you go to see them for up, I go to put screenshots. So I don't even need to use allegedly. Hey, Mama P is this, Mama P is that. Imagine now, let me say imagine now. And now decides to say, I'm no longer coming out for protest because they say, hey, they sell protest or protest now say they eat or something. I'm no longer coming out. You people should, and nobody now comes out for protest again. I know how many persons come out for protest because of me. Just imagine it. Just imagine the evil, the damage your stupid statements can cause. Okay, Mama P, they protest for a living. All right, bring evidence. At least your friend just left office, Obazee. Bring evidence where governments, they give me money. We waited for that receipt all through the election process. No receipt came outside. Mama P, government, they give her money, no wahala. I dare them. I said, bring receipts. No receipts came outside. Mama P is APC, Mama P is this. Bring receipts. At least 1 or 2 politicians suppose say, I paid her for this job. Any politician that can come outside and say, I give Mama P money, make she for come talk this thing. Make him come outside or make Ogu kill her where they. If any politician can come out and say, I've paid Mama P money just because, so I want her to do this video. In fact, if you are a politician, you are my friend, and you want to dash me money, as per you want to support me, I will always tell you. I say, okay, I hope not be this issue where they grand though. He goes say, no. I say, okay. A politician has dashed me money, my friend. He dashed me money today. I made a video against him the next day. You cannot buy me. How you want to buy me? You can't. Message where God send person and message where person send person. It obvious. It show for face. Do I look like who's scared of death? Do I talk like somebody that's scared of dying? As I day here like this, if I die right now, I'm fulfilled. I feel like I've done my part in the world. I'm playing my part. And no motherfucker can stop me. Not even with propaganda. So, knowing this fact does not mean he will now come and want to say trash about me and I will keep quiet. I will bring receipts. They sent me the memo of that, it was not even a protest. They sent me the memo of that, say no to drugs and say no to cultism. I did not see it. My WhatsApp messages is over 1,000. Anybody where they here, where get my WhatsApp number, go no say, I know they quick the chats on WhatsApp. I didn't see it. It was a night. In fact, I went for a program, so somebody saw me. From there, we can't talk. A night to the protests. I'm going to post all these receipts. A night to the protests. Now they call me say, this person thought they try to reach you. Now my friend though, but I didn't even know he was trying to reach me. The head of NYCN in Edo State. That person saw where they try to reach me. He worked closely with Obazee. Closely with this idiot, Oga. But I did not say because he's PDP or whatever, I will not join his protest, or because I feel he worked too close to Obazee, somebody I did not like, I will not join the movement. As a matter of fact, I told them I was busy. The next day, if you look my outfit, you'll see gym shoe. It was from the gym. I just say, make a job go, maybe now 1 hour something, you know, say no to drugs, say no to cultism. It took the whole day. I did not eat. Because I saw that people were encouraged by the fact that my presence was there. People were, you know, the ginger was just there. So I stayed there till the ending. For free. For free. The whole day. For free. I guess I should be what I'm supposed to supply. I don't supply. And then when I was going to make my speech to the governor, even if police brutality was not part of it, after telling the governor that we support him in the fight against cultism, anybody that knows Edo State knows that cultism is killing Edo State. Drug. You're the person, yama, that they call you, say me you can't buy drug, koro something. It's killing Edo State. And I said it in my speech. I said I support the fight against cultism. Whatever means you need to eradicate cultism, use it. I say, but then again, police brutality is a problem. Because the protest when me want actually join, and police brutality. But, you know, opportunity, I just to talk my own since they give me mic. I was the only person that talked about police brutality in that platform. And one motherfucker will come out and say that, they pay me RNG at my age. Me where they turn down millions. They turn down government appointments. Things that his father's father cannot do. I could have ignored though. I could have ignored. But this man matter, they pay me for mind. And the only way I will get to him and have my peace is his children. He's already cursed. You know how many people don't curse Albert? Do you know how many persons are waiting for him? He's cursed already. So now that children, he go do video against you to destroy you. He go put them for YouTube. He go they use and they laugh saying they make money as they cost you. Your life will be destroying. He go they use the money to they feed the children. Now you say children don't go die for a neck. No, nah. Say children not die for a neck. Children, when you use money of people tears, they train. Say they not die for a neck. You they tell me, the innocent children. Say they not die for a neck. Say I don't swear for them. I dare him. I'm gonna leave Natasha's issue. I go leave. Shane they cause VDM since. Every day they cause VDM. Every day they cause Mayor Doche. Every day he's just looking for anything to give him attention and traffic. I will give him traffic for free. Is it not even amazing that I'm allegedly APC and every day I'm cursing APC? I'm protesting. Is it not even... If we can even get 10 APC people that will be talking against APC like this, is Nigeria not going to be a better place? Is Nigeria not going to be a better place? If we can have APC, I'm APC. In fact, I'm not even they argue again. Some go say I be PDP. The day when I talk for Natasha, they go say APC people go say it's because you like PDP. That's why you are talking for Natasha. If you talk against Obazee, they go say it's because you are APC. If you do another one, they go say Labour Party will be nice send you. Idiots. Now political party go kill all of you now. Now let's even assume I'm APC. And every day I curse Sheyi Tinubu. I curse Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I drag Remi Tinubu. Akpabio, you know, they come up for my hand. Let's assume I'm APC. Is it not better that I'm APC and I'm calling them out for their nonsense? Let me tell you something. It will take more than 1,000 Obazee to bring me down. It will take, see, more than 1 million. You don't know me. People, they fight, they tire. Me, they fight, they get energy. It is my energy. Na natural energy. You all look me. I be like natural person. So all of you are making this live video because I'm seeing so many persons coming to say, what are they saying? Leave his children. Don't fucking tell me that. Don't anyhow I want to face this fight. Except I just decide now, say, okay, you know what? Let me just leave it. But say I all wake up one morning say na Albert. If I like, I post the wife picture. If I like, I post the mama picture. The next one, I post the Peking picture. Nobody should make film. If you cannot support me and go and be tagging him so that I go to see him, leave me and the fights. When it comes to retaliating, people remember morality. This same about Obazee is one of the reasons why I hated Obazee. After doing all the campaign for Obazee, I'm gonna bring videos. Obazee, Oshomole, I don't know be Lagos. That's where that I don't know be Lagos came in. I don't know be Lagos. After doing everything, Obazee enter power. All the things we say want to, not do. All the things we say want to, we not the same. I've been an hustler. I keep quiet. Okay, they look. In way be my person inside about Obazee. Before you know that they laugh am for internet. Say governor ban am from entering government house. I say which kind of person be this man? Meaning we say Oshomole they talk not true. How person about Obazee we work for you morning till night. Then you come ban am from entering government house. I called him. I said, boss, what's happen? Why they ban you? He said, no worry, that they like give governor. No worry. I say, even though you will risk your life, everything what we do. I say, okay. And then I chill. I rest. After some months, he come. He say, he also SSA. They give him slots. Whether not 5 slots. He won't give me 1. He won't give me SSA. If I lie, might not see tomorrow. If I lie, might sleep, might not wake up. They give an SSA. He won't give me 1. I say, no, I no need. Even then, I was younger. I was not this matured. But my papa go say, I'm not rich, but I'm not greedy. You know, I just have this perception of government. Make I no quick swear my hand. And I'm grateful every day that I did not take that SSA. I tell him, I say, let me give to another person. He say, no, now me want give the SSA. I say, no, I no need. I dey sell fabric that time. Like, I no get store that time. I dey sell fabric. Like, if you need fabric, I'll bring samples, can show you. Material, this senator material. That's the business I still do. You know? So I focused on my hustle and just left them and their government. And they see all the dance, those online way that they give them. This Obaseki treated him so bad. And I hated Obaseki for it. Because you don't need to do for me as a governor. If you can do for my friend, you've done for us. Albert is supposed to be maybe a commissioner or a board director. Instead, Obaseki left him on the internet. Like a riffraff. You people don't understand. Like, you'll be like a person walk in vain. I say, okay. At the end of the day, election time don't reach again. How about we be the verse for Obaseki? You don't even carry a family wrong, go abroad. How about start with the appeal for Obaseki, the praise Obaseki? That day, send me 100,000. Saying come Nigeria, no see him. I said, okay, you know, say they busy. This time around, I don't get level. So if this is like 4 years later, I don't get level. I said, okay, you know, say they busy. No verse. He say he send me 100,000 for lunch. That's it. Now I call my friend. Sir, how about send me 100,000 for lunch from nowhere? But I say, don't they clear for him for that side. My friend say send him 100,000 too. Sandra Duru. Man, Sandra Duru. My friend say send 100,000 too. I say, really? I say, I be not be recruits. They recruit so for election. With the look. The next election don't come. He start to the praise about Obaseki. Start to the praise Obaseki. Say, Obaseki this. I say, so after everything what this man do, come on, get out from my page, from my post. I be, what's your name? Come on for here, me will not kill you. I say, so after everything what this man do, you are praising him. Before you know, they are posting, assuming they even talk truth, I for keep quiet. But you will see where your pass, where erosion not let you pass. The next thing, they'll post the road, say they don't do. I say, nah, lie, nah. Why you do? One are the lie. And people in diaspora, Edo people in diaspora, if you know them, they are very benevolent. If they believe in a particular cause, they want to sponsor it. If they believe in you, Edo people in diaspora, if they believe in you, they will sponsor you. So people in diaspora are like, you know, it's something that we oh, this governor, oh, we are going to help him. Instagram don't post. Oh, this governor, we are going to help him. I'm like, no. This thing is bad. Who is this bastard? Block. I not even fish out today. I know fish out. So I started posting the truth. Now a verse for me. A verse for me. Say I they go against them on media. Say I they go against them. He bring the propaganda, say I not be Benin woman. So that there will be this tribal bias. You know, the first thing they will bring is tribal bias. That one did not fly. He bring, say they give me money. That one did not fly. Before you know, he say that he say they give me 10 million. Before you know, he say I work with governments. They give me, he just kept bringing lies. But you trust me and you trust God. You know they flip flop. My reputation be like and die, not the break. There's nothing he did not say. But God was just on my side. Everything he said, I said, bring evidence. The one I had evidence to counter, I would counter. This idiot went as far, you know, not say I know, as far as telling people that are close to me that he's ready to pay them to come and testify on social media against me. Even when me and those people know they talk, those ones know it's all lie and they refused. These idiots. Before you let's have Shuaibu, girlfriend. The then deputy governor, Philip Shuaibu, because I was against his illegal impeachments. He said I be girlfriend. Say me Philip Shuaibu, hold on, no. His wife, hold on, no. Hey, Mama P, Philip Shuaibu. I just imagine. I be Philip Shuaibu girlfriend. I say if I be Philip Shuaibu girlfriend, no wahala. As long as what I talk like no day inside, no wahala. Before you know it, so now they say I'm very ugly. He face be like caterpillar. But you are in my DMO. I have receipts of not be 2021. But if you push me, I've never posted anybody's receipts or voice notes. I will post. Me, I will swim in this mud with you. I will go underground. I will dig the black sand and white sand. I will miss sand for your face. If you know how much I hate you. So people have called me. Elections are over. You and Albert should settle. I said, God forbid. God forbid. I reject somebody that could look at me and lie to my face and devise means to destroy me, even when he knows that this girl is innocent. This girl, Albert will look at me and say, anytime he sees me then, before election, he will say, Mama P, the last living activist in Benin, Mama P, grand mobilizer, Mama P, she know they do like this, so these idiots, suddenly, I just don't corrupt person, because I not going to sell my conscience. And I was fighting everybody that sold their conscience. How can you be insulting a governor for 4 years and then election time you are clapping for him? So I was calling them out. Brother Mike, shall you say this man a bad man? Why is this picture of you buying down for him flying everywhere? I was calling all of them. Not a turn bad person. So when people were calling and calling, he now stopped attacking me. When he saw that I was not stopping, I was not giving up. When people were not calling, I'm like, it's okay. It may not be like a personal thing, an election. I said, no, it's personal for us because he knows me and he knows I'm innocent. The group of people that I worked with him, like the girls under me, Marshall Queens, they were all ready to come out and talk. None of us, they gotta come outside now, can't do campaign. If any money come outside, most of them are married now. But when people don't do call, I just rest. I know Albert is for the highest bidder. Highest bidder. Anybody that gives him money, he colo, earthworm, he go to twerk. Just pour some salt, some more money for a body. You go see Albert, they perform. All this government, all this is anger. Is this APCO that is in Edo States? Why am I not? Why will I talk against the APC? All the things we were complaining during PDP, you people did not add your voice. Now APC is there. APC just entered. Who is this person trying to come in? Now APC just entered, and you want me to start insulting APC? Less than 1 year in office. What will I say? The other day I was driving through Iyama. I saw that they were clearing those harlots there and those drug addicts there. I video, I post, the thing went viral. They say, why I go they hug a Boston? Me and a Boston, if I lie, my die. That is the first time I'm seeing him in real life. The only time we don't talk now for phone, and a true person phone. Boss, hey, I dey see you online. Hey, well done. We have never. These people think everybody is cheap. You know, a man for sale thinks every other person is for sale. So when he saw me real life, you know that kind of thing. Leader. I'm not go school now. If I'm not go school now, I'm not say for politics. Anybody where you see way pass you, way senior you na leader. Leader, good evening. We can't get a video, do a shower, come on for Bini. They say, hey, I go hug a Boston. They turn on to another thing. I just look down, not even they answer them. Because my skin, now before I dey cry put, my skin don't tick. These fools. The protest where we do so, say no to cultism, say no to drugs. That's how they find governor attention. Me. Now me be attention, now me be the attention. So, this is just me coming here to warn everybody, saying, take it easy. I will talk about what I want to talk about. When I want to talk about the jump, I will talk about the jump. When I want to talk about Natasha, I will talk about Natasha. I'm not paid. You see, most times I've not slept. I stayed for 3 days. I don't eat better food because I'm doing videos, I'm posting for free. None of my pages are even monetized. My pages are not monetized. It's easy Ogbeti. That lady, Prick Toto, easy Ogbeti. Now help me do my Twitter, make it day verified. She did $100 and something. She did it for me. It's not like it's monetized though. Now she helped me. Now she even helped me to arrange my Facebook. None of my pages are monetized. If I don't ever get money now, maybe, I appreciate what you do, send your accounts. And some, I know the answer. I'm not proud, but it's just what it is. Hey, leave protest, go and do it. I have 2 shops. Now, because of idiots like this, I know they even they post my shop for social media. May they not talk, say, hey, they use this one, they gather customer. I have 2 shops. I have staffs. I have apprentices. And they sew. I will leave my business. I will come and protest. I will inhale tear gas. At the end of the day, you will see it just like this hope and say, Tinubu will pay you. Does it make sense? Does it? Does it even make sense? Huh? You see, it's just like Albert that knows that I've had one-on-one encounter with you. If people where you don't know the cause is understandable, because why? Why is she doing so much? Why is she risking so much? Why? You know, it's not even natural. You know, with this present day world, it's not. Why? It's okay to have doubts, like, she's doing so much, money tonight. But someone that has had one-on-one with me, I will not tolerate it. Because you have seen me in my lowest. You know that this thing I'm just doing. I be like, who they send message, where if I not go, I feel dead. If I don't talk, many things I'm saying, if I don't say it, no other person will say it. Everybody is scared. Look at Aisha Yesufu. Aisha Yesufu is no longer coming out for any protests because she protested during Jonathan. And now people are saying, oh, she should not have protested during Jonathan. I'm sure that's one of the reasons she's not coming out for protests. If I now stop because of people are falsely accusing me, another one stop, Randy Peters will say, I've tried my best. VDM, where the idiots see the cause? Because every day night they cause VDM. That one stop, everybody stop. How is the country going to move forward? How will the country be? Huh? Those of you trolling in the comment section, can you come outside? Can you stand in front of 100 policemen and say no level? See what we want. Can you? You can't. You're not fit. Sometimes I go reach back, my face everywhere go rough, my skin go burn. Do you know how much is my skincare? Do you know how much I used to restock my skincare? Should I go and show you people? If you carry 500k, go buy skincare, not reach buy anything. I know they come outside inside house. I can stay inside this house for the next 1 week. If I too come outside inside my camera, I go do video. I remember when I ran away from Benin because of Obazee and his boys. The threats, because I was exposing all their evil during the election period. Abat was laughing me on live video. Hey, she don't come up for Benin. Come back now. You are laughing me. You are using Agbero to threaten me. Now hotel she can't say now. Hey, she don't go stay HK. This same bastard Abat. When I say my pity children. He was laughing me. If I had died like this girl yesterday, what's one for talk? If I come on, I can say rest in peace. And she was actually a good fighter. Pwah! God go punish all of you now. He was laughing me. I was hiding for my life. He was laughing me. Now the same idiots now they complain about Agbero. As if the government before they don't use Agbero. Oh, he just wake up. Yeah? I have been looking for a way to give him this attention. You see him? I've been looking for a way. If he knows how much every day they wake up, if I see a post, you derive happiness when there's chaos in your own states. Courtism go they fight. Courts go they fight each other. Abbas will be happy. Hey, the governor, why you go demolish Aye's house? Hey, Aye's don't sue the governor. Hey, he wants the fight. He wants the states to be scattered. Your own states. Benin man. You throw, about to throw jabs at the palace. Oba, this one where Oba do so. Oba. And they will say, don't talk to him. He's just a fool. You people have left him for too long. Rain fall that day. Bad rain. And so you carry this thing where they put for road. What are they calling it? Is it signboard? Where go cross road? Yes. The thing fall for top of bus. Hey, now wow, hey, the ancestors are angry with this government. Oh, see, oh, people are dying. You are happy. You are happy that people are dying in your states. Billboard, yes. Sometimes I look at people that are slaves to political party. I'm wondering, why? So now, let me assume. So because it's not your political party that's in the states, not the party where you like, so the state should scatter. Do you think, let me even ask you people, do you think if bag of rice comes down to 20,000 or 30,000, fuel comes down to 200 per liter, do you think if light becomes stable and we can pay our electricity bill, the roads are good, you think I will cost Tinubu? You think I will cost Tinubu? You think it's about political party, APC? You think if Tinubu does everything that he's supposed to do, works on education, nobody should call me. Who they call me? Works on education, works on everything he's supposed to do, I will curse him. Is that what you are thinking? Eh? Eh? Nigeria youths. Oh my God. That's what you're thinking. So we will go buy fuel now. Fuel go be 200 per liter. Dollar go reduce. Inflation go drop. Road go good. Security go, you know. I will not cost Tinubu. That's what you're thinking. I will not say Tinubu should go. Tinubu will do 30 years. Oh God. Is well. I think I've cleared the air. I think I've cleared the air. I've said what I have to say. I don't think I've ever come on any of this life and beg for stars. The way he does. Send me stars, share this life, share. I've never. I don't know that good one for front, but coming, as I know they do, they come since. I've never. I know they post, man, go share my link for one WhatsApp group. So everybody go and engage. Whatever I have is organic. It's natural. And they pin them. This gay. If they try to dent me by all means, they know they work. And yes, I know that I'm bigger than Obazee. I know if I stand and Obazee stand, 10 of him stand, I will crucify him with just my words. I go bury him with my left leg. I'm aware. He's a baby. Facebook is not social media. You want to test intelligence? Come on Twitter. Come on Instagram. Yes. You want to test popularity? Come on TikTok. That is social media. Facebook na family house. You know? That be Facebook. How about is old school, ancients? I don't need to they do video every day. They shout, hey, everybody, hey, no. You want to talk, you talk like an intellect. You bring facts. You post overlays. People will see. People will watch and understand without even you talking about it twice. Every day you are posting one politician or another. So that they will come and DM you and say, please, now leave me alone and pay you. You will not leave them. God forbid. What's the difference between you and a blackmailer? What's the difference? Eh? You blackmail people. Any politician will give her back money again. Or go kill them. The money go dry. It go enter problem where money no go fit solve. Because you people are the ones aiding him. So this is to all of you. I know you know fear not go let on comments now because you know trenches are online. They will swallow you before you talk. This is to all of you that keeps trying to project the wrong narrative. Hey, she said protest. Hey, she said protest. Hey, protest, now she take the chop. Me! You know how much I dey spend for protest? To go to Lagos and protest, I was scared because Obaseki was looking for me in Benin City. Abuja, VDM is already there. Lagos was really scared because of the Oro festival. I said, okay, let me go to Lagos, where for the hot. Make I go there. That's the most expensive flight I've taken. 208,000, to and fro. About 400 and something thousand, almost 430,000. That's what I paid for the End Bad Governance protest. I paid to go to Lagos to protest. It was this charity here that gave me somebody I stayed in his house. Not only accommodation and no pay for. Every day, a cabman was waiting to carry me to my house because it was risky, so that once we threw, I go quickly come out before DSS pick me. I was paying the cabman 35,000 daily to stay on standby for me while I'm protesting. You think it's cheap? Please. You think it's cheap? Eh? Quit happiness, I see you. You think it's cheap? You think? Please. I'm on live. I'll call you back. I'm on live. You think it's cheap? Eh? Do you think it's cheap? Every day. Everything what I spend for that protest, make I not exaggerate, almost 800K. You think it's cheap? You'll still buy drink for boys. We go there your back as you they shout. Make government here. You think it's cheap? If people don't ever support me in the trenches, people will follow me. They'll say, I'll send you account, we'll do something for you. And if they will be sincere, not be everybody at the answer. I must don't know your name. I must see your comments. I must not say, this person are my family, now squad. You say it randomly. I look the message. I they see everybody. I they quick catch winch. I just look and say, so I not be set up, so I not fit to. I know that one day Nigeria will be good. And Nigerians will remember that there was one woman who did all this for free. It's okay. I think I feel better now. That's why it's good to vent, you know. Thank you, Adesina. Thank you, Ayodele. Thank you, everybody. I feel better, you know. Sometimes it's good to respond to these people, you know, just clear the air. As I was saying, I've been waiting for her part. I know say go come my direction again. When he gets bored, you know, they get attention as he take the drum, you know. He go come back to my direction. He go look for Mama P. So they could say revive his dead career. Now we Obaseki not the power. Obaseki they run. Nobody they give him money. Nobody they give him contracts. Nobody, nothing they happen for a life. He's bored. He's looking for everywhere. APC, this one. PDP, Edo State scatter. This one die. That one, Edo State no go scatter in Jesus' name. If you say here, you dey pray me, Edo State scatter, maybe for happy now, Google kill you. Your life go scatter. Or Google zaga, you Edo State no go scatter. And this is public service announcement for even the APC in the house. The APC of Edo State right now. We just they keep quiet. The governor better sit up. If he still do bad, the election no come back. As we tell do Obaseki, na so we go do am. No friend, no foe. Any question? Oh my God! Any question? Any question? Please tell Abat. Go and tell him. See, we need receipts. Go to his page. His page is City Niger. Say we need receipts. Please bring receipts. Let me tell him. Tell him, say bring receipt. We need Mama. Please say me you post receipts. At least there should be one receipt or two. Tell him to bring receipts. I need to see the receipts. If not, he should shut up his dirty mouth. Or I go swear for a pikin. And nothing any of you will do to me about it. I be not because it costs me, wait put for YouTube. Wait take gather views. Not being take get money, wait till they train the children. You say the children never chop courses and poison as they did. Yeah? Thank you so much for watching. The comments appealing on behalf of his children were just too much. And I wasn't having it. You get, like, maybe you don't understand. It's not just me he has done this to. He has done it to many people. Abbas don't offend many people. He don't break many people's hearts. Don't break many people's hearts. Instagram. Yes. You don't break many people's hearts. You don't do people. Don't be just me. You don't do many people. You don't make men cry. You get? I say, now just thick skin and God with the heaven. Now I say survive lies, trolling and attack. Yes. Thick skin and God with the heaven. I no agree. Say for say I take 1 minute, take cry, say they sad, say they hide, say they explain. If you bury me. But I no agree. Especially when I know say I'm innocent. I did not agree. His only anger against me is that I refuse to say my conscience. I say, Lala, I did not take money from any of the aspirants. I saw the aspirants. All of them spoke to me. I say, Lala, I don't get interested. If I'm going to do an election, because the next person, if he knows still work, he go enter my hand. You see this one, this election, my interest, Obazee. That's where I had issues with him. And he went all out against me. With his people. If you go to his page, most of the comments you see, they are his boys. He buy phone for them. They get office where they sit down. They curse people. They project lies against innocent people. That's what they do. That's what he does. So when I start with him, I won't just stop there. He children. He cost me, use my video, put for YouTube. That video so bring her money. He use and train that children. That picking. He children, all of them. He wife. Very useless woman. I'll get husbands now. He go to misbehave. I don't fit tell him. I'll get man, husband. He go to cause people pain for social media. Say they bring money come us. God forbid. I don't fit tell him say, no, babe, this one not clear now. No, now. God forbid. God forbid batting. You cannot tell your husband, this is boundary. You are crossing the boundary. This is wrong. You cannot. The wife is a useless woman. Your husband will be doing evil. And you will not open your mouth to say, no. You are as useless as your husband. Instagram, I'm so sorry. The life is really, the network, is actually MTN network. It's fluctuating. I'm so sorry. There's almost nothing I can do. So I have to end the Instagram and be on Facebook. But I'll be ending the general live in the next 2 minutes. More than first. I can see Instagram is struggling. People should not be angry if you can hear this. The life has even ended on its own. Not be me and them. So, it's okay. They say, leave him. You are more than him. Now leave him. Make her reach where it is. And somebody was saying just now in the comment section, I have not slept. Yes, I have not slept. You are researching. Issues are happening in the country. You don't just come out and talk. You are researching. You have to research, read, before you do videos. You don't just do videos because you want to do. So those things take time. You don't even have time to talk to people or go to parties. Those things take time. I hardly sleep. I'm researching, I'm doing videos. As we research for this one, another issue is happening. You're talking about Jam, Natasha issue. 2 people have confessed now. 2 people have confessed Natasha's issue. That they sided with Sandra Duru to bring down Natasha. They are confessing, like say, get what they pursue them. You are talking about that one. The president is going to UK to unveil his achievements in Nigeria. What did he do in Nigeria that is unveiling? You are talking about that one. The president's son, they say he kidnapped person, beat person. You are talking about that one. You are going to another place. Is it easy? If I not talk and you go talk, you'll do the video. If you do my excuse, may you do. I'll give you my login. May you do video, the posts.